May technical po yan. Dalawa po ang 29. Matik na po yan. May technical po tayo. One shots by Masmatiki. Technical shot, correct. Villanueva with a blocking out, leading out. Ibadiara. Ibana. Bataga, pinasay naman 29. Pass to Mata. Zeddy Gabay, looking for his teammates. 15 to shoot. Mata, binigay naman 29. Pass to Lalale. Binigay si Lalo, naman 29. Kick out kay Mata. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Mata, leading out. Because jersey number 29. Paso lang natin. Binigay kay Matangel. Alas by Arcangel. Paso na Rose. Wala. Bola mo na mas bago bola. Kabinete, Zeddy Gabay. Paso Villanueva, binigay sa gitna. Bato, Kabinete. 10 to shoot. Arcangel, stop and jump. Wala, around the rebound. Binigay kay Mata, alas kay Villanueva. Binigay kay Tomas, sa ilalim. May foul, was correct. Foul on jersey number 28. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots by De La Cruz. First shot, in and out. Oy, Mata. Paso na ang dali. Umatake sa gitna, in and out. Foul kasi naman 45. Paso. Agame, binigay kay Kabinete sa ilalim. Wala. Bumbuhay. Paso Kabinete. Connect for 2 points by Kabinete. Bad shots by number 29. Number 45 sa gitna. Wala. Rebound ni Ara. Mata. Binigay kailangan lalo sa ilalim. Paso Ara. May foul. May pushing foul. Foul on jersey number. Pagpipid na show. Wala. Yato. 10 to shoot. Connect for 2 points. Injury time tayo.
Bait, no? Ilocano pa.
Order to show. Ito sa Bayator. Bigay kay Villanueva. Connect for 2 points. Bayator. Naitake to shoot. Mata, binigay kay Lalale. For the parking lot. Short. Aba, binigay kay De La Cruz. Connect for 2 points. 15 to shoot. Gabinete, stop and jump. Wala. Nakuha ni Mata. Paras by Arcangel. Mata, umatake. Good defense by Pilayo. Substitution break. Lakan-lali out, Sagolin. 16 on the shot clock. Warren, stop and jump. Wala. Rebound ni Gabinete. Intercept ni Sago. Binigay kay Habok. Habok ang didiskarte. May foul. Foul on jersey number 8, Villanueva. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots. Substitution break. Sixteen to shoot. Villanueva, Balate. Villanueva for the win. Palitan po ang 3 boards, mga kaibigan. Sabog yun. Ang didiskarte pa sa Ilocano. Alas by Gabinete. Binigay kay Arce. Ganda kay Panato. Wala play by Ilocano Bald. 16 to shoot. Villanueva ang didiskarte. Binigay kay Gustave. Gabinete ngayon. 9 to shoot. Villanueva for the parking lot. In and out. Around the rebound. May foul tayo doon. Foul on jersey number 3. Ara. Ara, second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots by Diaz. Oras natin 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Hayaan po natin ang referee. Nag-ahadal po. Hayaan natin yung tatlong referee. Nag-uusap siya. Diaz. First shot. Correct. Second drop, connect. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. 55-50, piece of score. Sago na din diskarte. 17 to shoot. Sago, looking for his teammate. Pushing foul. Ang tinawag na referee commissioner. Foul on jersey number. Penalty red. Sorry po, penalty. First shot. In and out. Diaz, third personal foul. Second throw connect by Wally. 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Wait, wala yan.
Gabinete ni diskarte, 16 to shoot. Villanueva, for the parking lot, wala. Thomas, binigay kay Sago. Arang nakakuha bola, connect to 2 points by Ara. Gabinete, for the parking lot, turn out. Sago ngayon, alas by Gabinete. Substitution red. Foul jersey number 11. For the parking lot, get it out. Arcangel ang rebound, binigay kay Gabinete. Binigay kay Villanueva. Arcangel. Pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 23, Mata.